Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. What's going on, you guys? Okay, today we doing another wig. We doing another wig, but this wig is bomb, y'all. It looks bomb. It looks like it feels bomb. It's for our naturals. So let's just hope this wig is as bomb as I think that it's going to be. Are y'all ready for me to introduce y'all to my new friend, my boss lady? Is y'all ready? Hello. Hello, boss lady. Look at her. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Do you hear me? This is the new Sensational boss lady. I got it in the number 2, and it's supposed to be like a blowout for us naturals type thing going on here. It's for all curl types 3B to 4C. Now we all know I'm a 4C, okay? So let's just take her out the package because I've been pressed. I've been waiting on her. Here is the stock card. Okay, here she is, fresh out the pack. And it does feel like a natural blowout. Look at the curls. It's so nice and soft. So as you can see, I have a little bit of leave out. The rest of my hair is just covered with my stocking cap. On the inside, we have the comb in the front and one in the back, and then it has the adjustable straps. So let's just try her on, y'all. Ooh, isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Now let's hope I can work with this. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, because normally with my wigs, I don't have no leave out. So let's just see what we can do. Like, it's matching good. Like, it blends in good. I just gotta work some magic, okay? And let's see if we can do a part. Can we do a part? I don't know if we can do a part, y'all, because it got like the little hump. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Can we do like a little part? We can't do no part. So a part is out because of this hump right here. I think I'm gonna pass my hair through the flat iron at least one time, and we gonna be right back. So I went ahead and ran my hair through the flat iron one time. I didn't do it a lot because I'm not trying to get no heat damage over no wig. Okay, with this wig, let's see. I'm trying to, could we do like a bang? Or what I did was put the wig on and I brought the hair forward a little bit so that it could like give me like this bang type look. Here's the back of the wig. So basically what I'm doing is trying to tuck my leave out in between the wig. It's like giving me like back in the day wig type vibes. So I don't know. I want to love this unit, but then again, it's like not working. Because it's like you got this big hump right here. And it's really hard for you to, you know, try to style it. I'm really trying to make this work, y'all. Because I really like this wig, but it's not working. Let me lay down my edges a little bit. isn't gonna work. I've seen people do the flip over method, but that's like too old lady-ish for me. And then when you lay your hair down, it just shows the imprint, like that this is thinner and this is thicker. Okay, y'all, so I put it up like half up, half down. I feel like if this was possibly a full wig, like, you know, with a part, you know, what is it, a lace wig, I feel like I could, you know, do a lot with this wig. But since it is a half a wig and the hair, you can see the density, like my hair, and then the fullness and thickness of this hair. Like, you really can tell the difference. And even with, you know, the half up, half down, we still have this big hump right here. But the hair is so full that you don't see it. But I'm not 100% satisfied. I really love the hair though. I wish this was like, I could get this hair in like a full lace wig and I would rock it. Do you hear me? I would like kill it, like slay it, like, hey girl. But yes, normally I order my wigs off of Amazon, but this time I ordered this off Elevate Styles. The shipping was so fast. I ordered my wig on Thursday and I got it on Tuesday. That's how fast it was. Like, it was really fast. Like, and that was just regular standard shipping. You know, their customer service was great. I would definitely order from them again. I really wish I could get this wig to work for me, y'all, but I can't. I love it so much that it's disappointing that I can't get it to work. If you're following me on Instagram, I'll post an update on my Instagram stories. But other than that, this is it, y'all. This is the wig. This is Boss Lady, and she is bomb. But I just wish it was a hole where I didn't have to deal with that big hump right here. I can finesse a lot of things, but I can't finesse an obvious hump. Like, maybe someone who has thicker and fuller hair, for me, it'll work better for them. But if you like this video, you guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any questions regarding this wig, drop them down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.